What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. All right, guys, this is my 2024 trading plan with the goal to make $100,000 in trading profits. And it could actually be a lot more than that, but I'm going to show you a conservative approach with my two systems, day trading Fibonacci and swing trading the Fibonacci Dragon. All right, so here's the layout, and I'm actually going to go into the chart and show you some real examples. And there's going to be a lifetime Discord giveaway tomorrow. So if you're watching this video, please comment below at the end. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's start off here, guys. So there's two systems that I trade and that I'm going to be focusing on next year. One of them is going to be day trading Fibonacci. The second one is going to be swing trading Fibonacci with a particular pattern, which is called the Fibonacci Dragon. It's something that I developed. It's a harmonic pattern, okay? So what I want to do this year, the key is I want to be on this side of the risk to reward table. So when you're planning, you need to look at the risk to reward table and ask yourself, where do you want to be? If you're going to be on the left side with closer targets, your win rate is going to be higher. However, if you're more on the right side, you're going to be going for bigger targets and your win rate is going to be lower. Okay, there's advantages of both, but for me this year, I really want to be with the bigger targets. And something I want to point out, having bigger targets or having a bigger risk reward is not necessarily just having a wide, far target, but it's also managing your trade so that your losers are smaller. Okay. So as an example, if usually I lose $100 a trade or $1,000 a trade, if I can bring that down to $50 or for $500 a trade, now I'm effectively doubling my risk to reward. So that's something that I really learned in 2023 on how to manage, and it's been great. Okay, so the game plan is going to be the 618 entry with a 90 stop. You can also use 100% stop loss, and I'll show you guys that in a second, which is exactly the full pivot anchor point. Target for intraday is going to be 4 times my money, and swing trade is going to be 6 times. And like I said, you can easily change that with moving your losers to a average loser of a lot less than you normally get. So if you're losing 1,000, if you can manage it to bring it down to 500, that's going to be huge. Okay. So day trading the full range Fibonacci, the goal is the same, whether I'm doing a day or a swing trade for next year, it's going to be 50x. Okay. So 50 times my money. So whatever your risk unit is, that is what it's going to be multiplied on. So this can work on any size account, small account, large account, doesn't matter, because your risk unit is the only thing that's going to change, but the setup will stay the same. So I want to risk about $1,000 per trade. So if I do that, that's going to give me 50,000 in profits in both trading systems. The only key difference with these systems is day trading. I will have a lot more trades, about 150 per year. That's close to 1 to 2 per day. And not every single day you're going to get day trades. And sometimes the market's obviously going to be closed. And swing trading, I'm looking for 1 to 2 per week. It's going to give me roughly 50. So here is something I put together in this tracker, which is extremely helpful, is a win-loss total breakdown. So with 40 wins and 110 losers out of 150 trades, I will achieve the 50 times target. The win rate is only 27%. This is with a 4x multiple. With a 6x multiple on the Fibonacci Dragon setup, I only need 29 winners and 121 losers, which is actually crazy. Okay, so this is why I really wanted to focus on risk to reward. However, if you change this here, guys, you can see what will happen with your profits. Okay, so 13% win rate, 25, 35, 40, etc. Okay, so that's a really cool feature you can play around and focus on. So I want to use options and futures. Options 2 weeks out, one strike out the money. That's it. It's been working well. I've been making good money on that, so I'm not going to change it. And I want to do that primarily with my swing trades. With day trading, I'm going to use futures and or options and evaluate the performance on a monthly basis, active trade management, like I said. Okay, so let's get into the charts now and I'll walk you through. All right. So the first thing that I'm going to start off with today, guys, is I'm going to start off with the day trade. Okay, so we're going to hop into SPY right here. So on the day trade, it's very, very simple. You can use futures or options. I love to use futures because I'm already usually in option trades on swing trades anyways. So there's no need for me to double down on my options. I might as well use futures. And with futures, every point is $50 and there's no option DK, there's no PDT. That's very important for small accounts. There's also the micro contracts. You can see I use micro contracts a lot because it gives you great sizing and you only need a few $100s in your account to maintain one of these contracts. Very, very reasonable. I use Interactive Brokers for that. There'll be some descriptions below. So this basic setup is we're waiting for the discount. We're being patient. The 62% pullback, that's what we're looking for, 61.8. Until we get that pullback, we will not take a trade. This ensures that we're going to get a great risk reward. And do not forget about commissions. You can see on this trade, I paid almost $34 in commissions. So you have to consider that as well. If you don't have a good broker that's giving you a good deal, then you're going to be losing in the long run. So make sure you have good, reasonable commissions. And you can also use a cheating target, meaning you can add a tick or two to your target, which will give you a little bit more profit that can actually pay for your commissions in the long run. All right. So let's go into the Discord now, and I want to walk you through the patience that's needed for these trades. So here's an example here. We got long at 1046, and I closed the position at 1210, hour and a half, $1,586 in profit. It was a 4x multiple for me. So let me go ahead and show you guys, okay? So I'm going to hop in here. So this is the Discord. We do this every single day, and you'll see you need patience, okay? So this is how the chart looks like in the morning. So let's replay this one together, okay? So the chart is looking like this in the morning. So you need to be in real time, extremely disciplined. You do not chase up here near the highs, because if this trade fails and you chased, you can blow up your account. That's what you need to really avoid next year. Do not allow yourself to be in the position to blow up your account, because if you don't have an account, then the whole challenge is failed, okay? And then from here, what I want to show you step by step here, as you can see that in real time, you're not going to get a pullback for a while. So 1030, we're still waiting. Bounced off of this, we're updating the legs, continuously updating legs. And then finally, 1046, the Fibonacci bot comes in, takes over, we get filled long, target hit, home run, okay? So that's how you want to see the trade. You get filled. It's either going to stop loss or it's going to hit the targets within 30, 40 minutes. You're going to start to see a move. And that's what I love about day trading, because I'm in and out. Don't have any emotions, okay? You're going to have a winning streak and a losing streak. You can win up to 10 trades. You can lose up to 10 trades. You have to get that emotion inside of you. But when you're going for a 4R multiple, guys, if you hit one trade a week as a winner in a full 4R multiple, you have a very high chance, like 90% plus chance to finish profitable, as long as you don't self-sabotage, okay? So here you go. So you can see finally the bot comes in, filled long, 1046. So through all of this, what you're doing is you're just drawing your anchor from low to high, okay? And you're just waiting, okay? Makes a new high, move it up like that. That's what we do in the Discord. That's the whole point in the Discord, just to give some guidance. Finally, there's the fill and there's the push, okay? So that's what you want. The main benefit of this is you turn over your capital quickly, you're in and you're out, and you can reset to cash. You don't have to do both the swing trades and the day trades. I like that because it gives me a balance, but you don't necessarily need to do that. By the way, you can do this on any stock, any instrument, okay? I love to trade Tesla as well. So here's an example of the Advanced Harmonic Dragon. 618 is the same thing that I'm doing. It's just a different variation. One strike out the money, 2 weeks out. And what I love with these swing trades is I don't use a stop loss on my options, because whatever I put in is what I'm willing to lose. So you could see here, these were both calls, $1,000 on SPY and Tesla $764. And that there are less trades. There's a lot less trades in the year. So this is a lot more manageable for people that are working full time. You can just set the trade the night before using automated option plays, conditional orders. Okay. And here's an example here. I just wanted to show you guys of how I do this. Okay. So you can see right here, this was the Dragon setup on Tesla, and I'll show you how that works. So we have a anchor point low, high, pullback, and then the completion is right around there. I can take the Fibonacci from the low to the high on the 618. And once we get filled here, guys, on the 618, what I'm doing is one strike out the money, 2 weeks out. And you can see actually on this trade that it did take a little bit of heat, right? When we popped up here, it was about 60% return, but then we took a little bit of heat, and then finally we had that rip. And that rip, I can only enjoy the benefits of that if I have 2 weeks out. If I don't have 2 weeks out, if I'm going too aggressive, then all this chop will kill me with my premiums. And then, like I said, guys, called out step by step here. You could see I ended up getting filled at 618 and it was at high at 660 the same day. And then eventually, guys, 1070 on those option plays. Really, really nice banger. And that's a little bit more chilled environment. There's not too many trades, one a week, 1 or 2 a week. I do expect a lot in January. I did take some more calls, which I'll show you guys here in the lotto section. So this one, 464 to 614, not bad. So very relaxed, very calm. Okay, so that's the game plan. I'm gonna stick with this throughout the year. If I need to adjust the target, if things are not going my way, I'm gonna give it 20 or 30 trades, you know, 1/3 through the 100 trades or through the 150 trades, and then I will look into it, making any adjustments as needed. All right, like I said, don't forget to comment below Fibonacci. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. As always, check me out, tradingwars.com. I'm doing a very special holiday sale until the end of December. So if you want access to the swing room, it's $100 for lifetime access, and it comes with my beautiful book, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci, which follows a journey of 16,000 profits. You can see all the winners and losers here with videos and broker statements, recording from my screen to teach you guys the fibs in real time. Or if you want everything that I've ever done, you can get lifetime to the swing room. Plus, I'll give you 1 year in the day trading room. It normally comes with 4 months, but I'm going to bump that up ×3 for the holidays. It's going to also come with a one-on-one session with me, all for $799.99. Okay. It normally comes with 4 months. All my books, my seminars, one-on-one. If you can't afford this, because I know it's might be out of your budget, I'll do the same deal here that you see for the 4 months for half the price. So $399. But you have to email me, rich@tradingwars.com, so I can get you a special link for that. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the plan. I'm very motivated and excited to hit this hard next year. It'll be all live and documented in Discord like I always do, and I'll be producing some material with the logs for you guys, okay? And if you like that tracker, I actually just posted it in the Discord right here. So you guys can download a copy, and hopefully you guys get some benefit out of that. Thanks so much. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, guys. Take care. Appreciate your time.